Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what is Panchakarma and what are its benefits. So, as we all know that nowadays in a stressful and toxic environment, our physical and mental systems accumulate toxins causing various diseases which may ultimately damage an individual's health and wellness. Panchakarma, which means 5 therapies, is the Ayurvedic procedure to cleanse the body of toxic materials accumulated due to disease, poor nutrition or sedentary lifestyle. Panchakarma, by cleansing the toxins from the body, helps you to re-achieve balance of the 3 doshas, the 3 energies that govern all biological functions and longevity. The objectives of Ayurveda are Swasthasya Swastha Rakshanam, Aturasya Vikara Prashmanam, which means Ayurveda can be considered as way of life that can be beneficial for anyone or everyone who desires better changes in any aspect of their lives. Take the first step towards living a healthier lifestyle and adopting Ayurveda and its principles. Ayurveda considers that when toxins accumulate in your body, you begin to feel negative emotions such as fury, hatred, loathing, and tumble out of balance. As a side effect of this, you have sickness or diseases. Panchakarma is a detoxification procedure which helps you to purify, revive, and rejuvenate a person back to his naturally good health. So now we are going to discuss what are these 5 karmas, means panchakarmas, that can help us detoxify our body. But before we discuss what are these 5 karmas or panchakarmas, we are going to discuss about what is purva karma. Well, purva karma is the preparation stage comprising of 2 main procedures known as snehan and swedan. Purva karma prepares the body in prescribed methods to encourage it to release toxins. Purva karma, which is the preparatory procedure required before the main procedure to enable a person to receive the full benefits of the main treatment. It consists of 2 main processes. These methods help to dislodge the accumulated poisonous substance in the body, thus preparing them for their complete removal. Snehan, which is full body massage with medicated herbal oils. Snehan moves the toxins towards the gastrointestinal tract by massaging the oil on the body in a particular manner. The oil also penetrates the skin, leaving the deep tissue soft and supple. Swedan, which means sedation or sweating. It is given every day immediately after Snehan. It further aims at loosening the toxins from the body. Swedan liquefies the toxins and facilitates their movement towards the gastrointestinal tract. Now we are going to discuss about what are the 5 karmas that govern the process of detoxification in the body. The first among the panchakarma is VAMAN, which is also known as vomiting therapy, which eliminates the cough causing the excess mucus. When there is congestion in lungs causing repeated bronchitis, attacks, colds, cough or asthma, the Ayurvedic treatment is therapeutic vomiting. Vaman is mostly benefited for kapha prakriti people and related disorders. The second panchakarma is VIRECHANA, which is most popularly done in India and mostly chosen by all the patients. That's because it's easier than VAMAN. VIRECHANA means you can also consider diarrhea, secretion and accumulation of excess of bile in gallbladder results in rashes, skin inflammation, acne, chronic fever and many illnesses. Ayurveda in these conditions suggests the administration of therapeutic purgation or a therapeutic laxative, which is known as VIRECHANA. Third one is NASYA. What is NASYA? Now, as we are talking here about the detoxification procedure, we will talk about all the parts of the body which can actually be used for bringing out the toxins of the body. First, we have discussed about VAMAN, which is about bringing the toxins from mouth. Second, we have discussed about VIRECHANA, which is about bringing the toxins through the anal region. Third one, we are going to focus on another very important part of the body, that is nostril. So the procedure is known as NASYA. It is a detoxification procedure For respiratory tract, the medicated oils drops are instilled in the body through the nose in order to clear the excess mucus, relieving chronic migraine and allergies. So till now we have discussed about 3 main Panchakarma procedures. The first one is VAMAN, can also be known as emesis therapy, which is suitable for treating a number of diseases including anemia, chronic indigestion, sinus problems, cough, cold, relieving pulmonary, TB, lung conditions, skin conditions like eczema, diabetes mellitus, goiter, tumor, cough, asthma, obesity, etc. The second Panchakarma treatment that we have discussed is VIRECHANA, which can be also known as purgation therapy, which is basically for cleansing the whole body from excess of pitta accumulation, mostly suitable for pitta prakriti people, which clears toxins and purifies the blood. The treatment concentrates on the toxins accumulated in the liver and gallbladder, thereby cleansing the gastrointestinal tract thoroughly. This is also recommended as rejuvenation therapy for tissues and organs of the abdomen and skin. VIRECHANA is an excellent method to heal various conditions like abdominal tumors, hemorrhoids, skin disorders, jaundice, chronic fever, poisoning, spleen and liver disorders, abscess, colitis, eye problems, ulcers, gout and blood toxins. The third procedure that we have discussed about is nasal cleansing, which is also known as NASYA, which includes inhalation of herbal oils, medicated powders, decoctions, oil drops, paste, plant juices or infusions through the nasal roots. The medicaments administered through the nostrils pervade into the nervous system and venous system present in and around the nostrils. The aggravated doshas above the region of the clavicle in the head and neck are eliminated through the nose by this process. Thus, it relieves the blockage of the channels and diseases are cured effectively. It is recommended for disease of head and neck, including the 5 sense organs. It is also used to treat migraine, chronic rhinitis, and epilepsy. The fourth one, which is a very important procedure that we are going to discuss, is BASTI, which is decoction or medicated oil enema therapy. Basically, drug is administered through anus, and this is the procedure in which a herbal decoction or oil is administered through the anus. It reaches up to the umbilical region, lumbar region and sides of the chest and flanks. BASTI is useful in chronic constipation, lower back pain, arthritis, sciatica, gout and rheumatism. It also heals numerous neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease, muscular dystrophy, hemiplegia, osteomyelitis, osteoporosis, muscle and nerve atrophy. It helps in mental conditions such as Alzheimer's, epilepsy, mental retardation and sensory disorders. BASTI has multi-dimensional utility. It can fulfill the purpose of elimination, palliation, nourishment and rejuvenation. Last but not the least, the last Panchakarma therapy that we are going to discuss about is bloodletting therapy, which is very popularly known as RAKTAMOKSHAN. Now we have covered all the major regions of the body, but one of the most important region and organ of body is skin. So here we are going to talk about RAKTAMOKSHAN. RAKTAMOKSHAN means bloodletting or getting rid of the toxins in the blood. This purifies blood, thereby promoting healthy and improving the patient's immunity. This is typically done either with the help of blunt or sharp instrument or using leeches, which is very popularly in India known as Jaloka Avcharan. When blood becomes impure, it can cause and spread diseases. Removal of impure blood benefits the body. Bloodletting is useful when patients need immediate results with pitta disorders such as skin, liver, spleen, and conditions like gout, headache, and hypertension. Mostly, this is very much suitable for skin-related disorders because most of the skin-related disorders are due to impurified blood, disorders like psoriasis, eczema, etc. This is considered as an important method to treat blood-related and pitta-related diseases. At the end, we are going to discuss about some of the benefits of Panchakarma treatment, that are removal of impurities from the body, restoration of equilibrium and harmony in the body, removal of negativity and enhancement of an optimistic feeling, improvement of mental, physical and emotional well-being, and an enhanced sense of self-worth, overall improvement of health and well-being. It boosts the immunity level, slows the aging process, which is the most important thing. Panchakarma removes free radical, balances cholesterol and triglycerides, regulates blood pressure and introduces antioxidant enzymes into the body. Last but not the least, Panchakarma. We need to know what is Panchakarma because it forms a very important part of the whole detoxification procedure. Panchakarma is post-therapy dietary regimen customized for the patient. These are the dietary guidelines given to the patient by a doctor and needs to be followed compulsorily to get the normal pace of digestive system back in some 2 to 5 days. It may differ from person to person. So in this video we have learned what is Panchakarma, what are its benefits, Purvakarma, that is the preparatory procedure, and Panchakarma, that is post-therapy dietary regimen. If you find this video beneficial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.